Here are two central incisors, which were previously fractured and that we want to restore to a normal length in order to get a better aesthetic integration. We have the dentine S2 from Miris and the dentine S1 on the left side. We then select one enamel shade that we combine to the previously selected dentine, and we evaluate the combination of the two shades together. We need to define the position of future incisal edges, and this is performed by a freehand mock-up. The silicone material should cover the lingual surfaces and the incisal edge. The existing composite restorations are removed and the silicone index is replaced in the mouse to control its perfect positioning. All enamel surfaces are etched for 45 seconds and dentin for about 10 seconds. Exposed dentin is covered first with the primer. Bonding resin should be applied in thin layers. Airspray is used to thin the layer. The first enamel increment is applied on the silicone index and then brought to the mouse, so that we can make sure that we will perfectly cover the lingual margins. This first step is very important because it will guide us for the application of next composite layers. Dentin is shaped so that we maintain a little space below the incisal edge. We define the mamelons. This is a configuration of a young tooth. A small amount of blue effect material is added to the dentine mamelons to mimic opalescence effects. The effect material also fills the spaces in between the mamelons. We can then start with a buildup of enamel. We normally proceed first with the proximal buildup. We pursue with buildup of the distal corner. Some more effect material. Here, the white effect material from the Miris system is still added before the application of the last enamel increment in the center of the tooth. We start the finishing with the distal proximal profile. The texture is obtained by moving the instrument either in a vertical or horizontal direction. A rebonding is performed to fill little defects we might have on the surface. You see the final situation after polishing. You see also the dehydration of the teeth, which is quite visible.